Welcome to my kitchen. Today we're gonna cook octopus.
Yeah.
Okay, in order to have a great grilled octopus, we're gonna have to poach it first. So you can see octopus, the skin is kind of really squishy, rubbery, and you see this knife, sharp knife here. I'm gonna try to poke it through, and if it's tender, it should go in with a light push. As you can see right here, it's not even budging. So we're gonna go poach this today. I got 2 cinnamon sticks, and we're gonna just use like 2 of these star anise, or is it called star anise? I don't know. And we're gonna prepare the octopus. And you can keep the head, but tonight we're gonna make this one without the head. So we're gonna discard these. All right. And you just want to make sure, just the beak is gone. So these I bought prepackaged at the supermarket, Asian supermarket, and you want to get the frozen ones. And all you do is just thaw them out when you're ready, like the day before you're ready to use them. And just rinse them a little bit, and you should be good to go. And then now we're gonna get the poaching liquid ready. So the 2 ingredients is a can of chicken broth and some water. Yeah, since chicken broth already has, I don't know, 540 mg's of sodium, we don't need to put salt. I put salt one time and it's just way too salty, so I put 1 can of chicken broth in here, equal amount of water. 1 can of water, 1 can of chicken broth. Simple. Cinnamon sticks, star anise, toss them in. We're gonna bring that to a simmer. How do you know if it's to a simmer? You can put a thermometer in here, and you can see it's around 180 to 200. Now we got that good simmer going. It's ready. We're ready to put these octopuses in the pot. They're gonna start to curl up. So don't be alarmed. Simmer this for about 15 to 20 minutes. To have a great grilled octopus, you're gonna have to have a great sauce. So today we're gonna make a simple sauce with 3 basic ingredients. You're gonna have your base sauce, which is this Korean fermented red pepper paste. You can get this anywhere these days. We're gonna have hoisin sauce. I know this one says garlic, but you can use regular hoisin sauce just fine. And the next one is ketchup. So it's quite simple. Korean sauce. Take about a spoonful, okay? A teaspoon of hoisin sauce. Like a spoonful of ketchup. Give that a good mix. And what you want to do is just get a finger, taste it, and if it's too spicy, just put some more ketchup in there. Okay, it's been about 30 minutes, so we're gonna check the octopus now. So I take the knife and I simply push it in. Goes in really easily. So let's go ahead and take it out of the liquid. Okay, so we got the poached octopus out, and then now we're ready to grill it. So you can see we got the coals nice and hot, ready. Check it with your hand. Yep, it's hot. Just place the octopus gently on the grill. Okay, lightly brush this octopus with oil. Alright, cool, yeah, we're gonna let it, sit on this grill for a bit. Alright, now we got one side kind of cooked. See that smoke coming out? It's probably time to flip it. So let's give it a flip. Woo. Look at that. Give another flip. Woo. Look at that. Give this one a flip. Damn. Okay. It's looking good. That color, got that smoke. It's about time to put that sauce on. Generously apply the sauce. Just don't be shy about the sauce. Give it a good flip. Apply sauce to the other side. Looks like about enough sauce for now. At this point, just kind of keep on checking them. Shit, that looks good, man. As you can see now, this octopus is ready. Let's take this out. Place them nicely on our plate. And there you guys have it. Barbecue octopus. Poached, grilled, sauced. Take a good look at that. Okay, now we're gonna give it a little taste. Come over here. Let's cut into this. There we go. Barbecue octopus. Tender because of the poaching. And with that Korean hot sauce, just perfect, man. Also got that cinnamon, that star aniseed. This is good, guys. I wish you can taste it. But you can always make it at home now, because I just taught you how to. Base Camp Barbecue. That's what we're about. We're here at Base Camp researching the base so you don't have to. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time.